forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Blessed be your name.
Alright, today guys we are in Discovery Bay and we come to, it's like a very small farmers market, but I saw it advertised on Instagram and I wanted to come and check it out. So this, I guess, farmers market, it's put on by the Social Development Commission, and they have these all over the country, all over the island, at different parishes, different places, different districts, and it's called the Discovery Bay Economic Village. Now the purpose of this program is to support, so there's a big truck passing, is to support local economic initiatives. So like I said, I'm going to show you what's going on. It's a very small market, but it just gives locals and other people the opportunity to sell their goods, whether that be handmade natural oils, their fresh fruit and vegetables, it could be candles that they've made, it could be handmade jewelry, natural juices, and such delights. So
have them flowers out there now.
Flowers, yeah, if they're growing flowers, they can sell them.
Fruits man out there.
Fruits men. It is very small, and some people are still setting up, even though it's 12 o'clock and it started at 9 o'clock. Some of the vendors are still setting up. But it is small, but I do like this initiative, and I thought it was important that we come along and see if we can support where possible. I know there's some stuff that Outlaw wants. Hopefully you can find what he wants over there.
Yeah.
Natural homemade products.
Yeah.
And you know, the last video was on Jamaica is expensive, and I showed you some things in the supermarket. And guys, we do support local, and it is important to support local where you can. And I think farmers markets and little initiatives like this are really important to support local, small local businesses. The little small farmers that are growing two little things in their yard or on their land. Those people, those people who take time out to make the natural oils and all the natural things, and we know that these things are much more better for us, much more healthy for us. So even though it's a small market, we're going to go and try and support and see what we can purchase, and of course we're going to show you what's going on. So remember guys, this is the SDC, I think it's Social Development Commission, I think that's what I said, correct me if I'm wrong. Go on their website, SDC, and find out where their next initiative and the next market is. Maybe it's in your area or somewhere close to you. You can go and support these locals, you know, trying to build their small businesses. Check them out and see how you can support them. All right guys, we're going to go over there and show you what's going on.
Indulgent Beauty.
Okay.
You will find stuff like my classic bee balm available. This is a skin moisturizer made from beeswax and oils, and it's available for you to sample. As well as another favorite is the lip balm. We have two flavors here today. We have peach lemonade and strawberry shortcake.
Okay.
We also have our scrubs, which I've named after Jamaican things. So for example, this one is Get Zesty.
Oh, smell that. Oh, that smells good.
Right.
Yeah,
and one of the cooler things about it as well is that I try to make my company as sustainable as possible.
Sure.
So I will use the pulp to make oil, but what happens with the skin and the seed?
Yeah.
I use it as an additional exfoliant inside the scrubs as well. These are foaming scrubs, so these are soap-based scrubs.
Okay.
And this one is my personal favorite. This one is the icy mint. It smells like a mint ball.
Icy mint, yeah. Is there?
Yeah. If we're not doing it ourselves, we're partnering with local companies as well, local soap producers.
So you partner with these soap producers?
So this is Ebony Lux Botanicals. She is a former schoolmate of mine. We both went to agricultural school together. Both ended up in skincare. So she does soap and I do moisturizer.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a little bit of what we do. We also do custom orders. customers. But for the most part, we just want to spread awareness on the fact that Jamaican skincare is not just all about cocoa butter
Exactly.
and oil. It's also about what we can get straight from our earth.
Yeah.
It's about sustainability in
Sure.
agriculture and connecting with our farmers.
Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna purchase something, and let's show them the lip balms. So, what's the different types of lip balms?
So we only have 2 flavors today. We only have strawberry shortcake, and they
That sounds like good to eat.
each
Right?
level. It smells like
What one would,
like I have one in my
what
pocket.
do you recommend out of the two?
Like I'm honestly biased to it. It vary, but you can get 2 for $500. They usually go for $300 each.
Okay.
So you can get one of each flavor for the
Okay, yeah, let's do
$500.
that. Yeah.
But
Alright, guys, we'll have to come over then. Didn't know. I mean, you're right there. We were right there. Don't know what's going on.
Huh? Yeah. Just walk along with it.
Yes, guys. So we've met some good people.
Come on, come on.
Okay.
What is it?
Hot sauce.
What am I saying?
West Indian red hot sauce.
This look at Jamaica. Red mix. Red mix.
Oh, the Rada company. Okay. So what's this one then?
It's done at their facility.
Oh, at their facility. Red Indian. West Indian pepper sauce. What's that one? Scotch bonnet. I need a Scotch bonnet.
No food coloring added, no MSG, no
Okay.
Yeah, this?
all natural, yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Even the
This
pepper
company
is
that?
natural, yeah.
Yeah, man. How much is
I need
that?
that one.
400 for anyone, but if you buy 3, you get that discount.
Okay.
No, one day.
This one?
Yeah.
No problem.
That's what we get people. Scotch bonnet. Jam rock harvest.
Right, and there's a number on it. When it's finished and you need more, you just call me.
Okay.
We can meet up at the closest point.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
so good, man.
Okay. Definitely. Thank you.
Scotch bonnet.
Thanks much. Why you have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it together, man. Let's shop, you buy one and two
Yeah, so
things.
that's what we get in.
Let's put them together. Yeah, my peeps. That's something I am real Jamaican product.
Yeah.
We don't run from it. Just stay with it. Because something that's why we get the scotch with the scotch bonnet. Right aside in a liquid. Jamaican product. Not far away from home.
And this is the initiative, Social Development Commission, Local Economic Initiative. It's a good look, guys. It's a good look.
Beautiful.
A few other bits and pieces, plants selling. Yeah, fresh fruit and vegetables. But it's small, like I said, some people are still setting up. But yeah, everything there. Okay. So there we are. That looks like sauce.
Yeah,
Remember,
scotch
I've got my
bonnet,
lip balm.
yeah, nice blend.
Yeah.
Nice flavor.
Plants. Double two fast, because you in front of me.
Oh.
Eggs, fresh eggs. You find they got any
fine lines and wrinkles, antiviral, all of that stuff.
I keep hearing about that one.
It's really good for you and your plants. And it's an actual insect repellent.
Okay.
So it's very multiversal.
So, this is the mulberry spice me, rich berry,
wine.
Yeah, and tonics.
tonic.
This is a stamina tonic with ginseng, dandelion coffee. It also has horny goats, maca roots, cayenne pepper, pimento. Yeah, a lot of stuff.
Okay.
And this is oregano tea, lemongrass. Somebody is watching too?
No. Alright, so I'll look at one of these. Multiple benefits. Anxiety, stress, cancer, liver health, detoxing benefits.
The natural something I work off and
Yeah, this is fermented weight loss, so we can try with these. Thank you. And then finally we've got the fruits and veg.
I'm natural something.
I don't really did anything there, really.
Go on from out.
No, really. Yes, guys, so that's it. Alright Right guys, so that's it. That was the market. Like I said, it's very small. Like you would have seen, it is very small, but still important to support locals, right? So this is what we got. I got 2 of these natural lip balms. Now that was the first lady that we stopped at, called what's her name, Abby. I'm gonna put Abby's details up here, her Instagram and her contact details, so check out her products, all natural. So I got 2 lip balms, the peach lemonade, which smells really good, and then I got this one, smells like you can eat it. This one was the strawberry shortcake, and Abby gave me, they were $300 each, and she gave me 2 for $5. Really nice lady Abby was. The second thing we got was this. You know, we always need a bottle of hot pepper sauce. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, and if you see that one, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, and this one is produced by Jamrock Harvest. Now remember, these are all locally made products, okay? 100% Jamaican products.
Full product, you know.
Fiwi products.
Full Scotch bonnet.
Fiwi Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, that's something there.
So Jamrock Harvest Scotch bonnet, and they produce these at the RADA premises
St. Mary.
in St. Mary.
Yeah.
The guy was like, listen, when you finish, our number's on the back, you call us for more. So I like Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, so I'm going to try this one, and if it's good, I'll definitely be ordering more.
Yes.
So Jamrock Harvest Port Maria. Yep.
Scotch bonnet has a good flavour.
Yeah. Pepper. It's got pepper, scallion, ginger, pimento in there.
Scotch bonnet is very seasoned. This is seasoned.
So another local product. And the third thing we got was from Carcanas, and Outlaw got a herbal tonic wine. This is fermented, so this has got alcohol in it, but it's got multiple uses. Improves the immune system, rich in antioxidants,
Clean and bill, you know.
reduces cholesterols, liver detoxing, all kind of different benefits. You know what tonics do, right? You know, tonics are healthy things.
Natural something.
And the ingredients in this: pimento leaf, ginger root, turmeric root, soursop leaf, guinea hen weed, medina, lemon, honey beetroot, vervain, hibiscus, cloves, and raisins. Yes,
That is
so
it.
all the good things. So like I said, the market was very small, but you know, I
very
like the
important thing over there.
and I like the initiative that the SDC, the Social Development Commission, has put forward. And like I say, these are all over the island. Go on the SDC Instagram or website, and you can see if the next market is near you. Guys, supporting local businesses and buying Jamaican products when we can, right?
Yes, and remember, we're coming at you with ours.
We have got our products coming soon, guys. If you are on our Instagram, follow us on our Instagram, That Me Say TV. Follow us on TikTok at That Me Say TV. Yesterday we put out a little teaser of a up and coming product that that is coming out soon. We've got a product that we are launching very soon. So go on our Instagram, That Me Say TV. Go on our TikTok at That Me Say TV, and we've put it on YouTube in our shorts as well. Check it out. Our new product coming soon. 100% natural product. 100% natural. Guys, check it out to see what it is, all right? But yes, support local, guys. Support Jamaican products and support local.
Local thing there.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're going to end out this vlog right here. Short and sweet. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, support local. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Watch the ads. And until next time.
That me say.
That me say.